How y'all doing? CJ Moto here, and today I got some good news. So I got a call from the Geico agent, and well, kind of a good story with Geico, but basically, like, I had a horrible experience from the get-go with them. The customer service lady, she basically told me that I'd be getting the amount that the Honda dealer would give me for the bike. So like I'd be getting the amount that the Honda dealer paid for my CRF 450L. So that's what Geico originally told me. So I was thinking, I don't know. But then I was arguing with the lady, and then she gave me to her supervisor, and basically he told me that that was inaccurate information. So I called Geico, like, corporate basically, and made a claim against that. And so the supervisor called me and basically just kind of, he didn't apologize, but he was like, oh, you complained against us type thing. And I was like, yes, the whole experience was BS. But anyhow, so finally I got a call from them today. I didn't really hear a whole lot for like 2 or 3 weeks, and they called me today, and I got the numbers. So here we go. So for the 450L, it's probably like backwards or something, but for the 450L, they offered me 10,288 for my 450L, plus they even gave me money for taxes, so 457, and then subtracting my $1,000 deductible, that comes out to 9814, which is awesome because I paid like 9,999 for the bike. So, or yeah, I think roughly. So basically my three options that I'm looking at are the Monkey, the Fury, sorry for the crying in the background, or the 450L. So I just wanted to see what y'all think I should get. The Monkey is like 3,999, so 4,000. The 2019 Honda Fury, the blue one, is like 10,000, and then obviously the 450L is 10,400 still. So I'd have the same bike, but I really don't. The one thing that I don't like about the 450L, this is my main thing, like going into doing this again with it. I loved the bike; it was amazing, but I'm really not excited about these maintenance intervals. I know a lot of the guys on the forums are having to do valve clearances and all that stuff, and I really don't want to do all that. So I don't know. I think the Monkey would be a cool bike. That's kind of what I'm leading towards. I kind of want that yellow Monkey with the Yoshimura RS3 stainless steel full exhaust system. And I was talking to my buddy Anthony, and it would be maybe over the top, but I was thinking about putting nitrous on the Monkey. He's a mechanical engineer. He knows his shit, and he's into cars big time. And he said that I could, if I put like a computer system on it and a nitrous system, and then I looked up what I could get out of it with that, and it would only be a few horsepower, but I thought it'd be pretty cool to have a nitrous Monkey with a Yosh pipe on it. And he was just explaining to me how you have to have the computer set up to where it gives it nitrous. You have to be at full throttle and then blast the nitrous in, and then you can only get nitrous until below red line, and then the computer cuts it off. But I don't know, that sounded pretty sweet. I'd probably never actually do that, but it'd be something to consider. But at the very least, I would do and I was kind of surprised that the Monkey only has like 9 horsepower, but I'm sure you could get 12 or 13 out of it with like the Yosh pipe, the exhaust, or I mean the intake and all that stuff. And if you guys have any information, leave it in the comments. If you guys have any Monkey information, because like I said, that's kind of what I'm leading towards. They have one at the dealership downtown. They have a yellow one and a red. I love the yellow. It looks awesome. I was a little bit disappointed because the yellow one is not like a pearl yellow like I thought it would be, but I finally saw it in person. You could check one of my earlier videos, and it's just like, it's yellow. It's just banana yellow, but no type of pearl or anything like that in it. So that was kind of disappointing, but it is what it is, because the red is like, because I don't like red that much, but that red Monkey is really nice. But I would much rather have the yellow one. I mean, it's a Monkey, like, get a yellow one, you know? And I think they're more rare as well from what I've been hearing. But yeah, they do have one of each at the dealership as far as I know. So I was thinking about going tomorrow or Saturday to the dealership. They would hold it for me without me putting any money down. I was thinking about calling them, telling them to hold it, and then on Saturday going and putting maybe a few $100s down, and then I'm going to be waiting on this insurance money. But yeah, 9814 for the 450L. So the breakdown of what it, so that's, and just so you guys know, if you ever have to deal with getting a bike stolen or wrecking a bike or any vehicle, they offer you actual cash value, and it could be a real kick in the balls. I got really lucky. Like actual cash value, basically when you pull the vehicle off the lot, they could go ahead and say that it depreciated $2,000 or $3,000. I was fully expecting them to offer me like $7,000 for this bike. I kind of feel like me complaining to corporate, or I don't know what. I have no clue how I got this lucky, but really look at that. $10,288 is what they offered me for the bike. They said it depreciated 111 bucks. So anyhow, let me know what you think. I appreciate y'all watching. I know there's not many people watching right now, but this is a live video, and you know I don't have that many followers yet. But to recap, I got 10,288 bucks for my 450L plus $457 that the insurance company gave me for insurance, minus my $1,000 deductible, 9,800 bucks. It's gonna basically pay off my bike. I either want to get it a monkey, a yellow monkey, a Fury, the blue one, or another 450L. And if you guys have any ideas of other things I should be looking at, I really like Honda a lot. I'd like to stick with Honda. I have a good relationship with the Honda dealer. Honda, you don't have to worry about working on a Honda. They're beautiful. The 450L, you have to worry about working on it. That's the downfall. You know, you have to worry about valve inspections at 1,400 miles. When this bike got stolen, I was at, you know, under 1,000 miles, well under 1,000 miles. So anyhow, let me know if there's anything I'm missing. I've had 2 gold wings. I've had a Honda CBR 450 or CRF. I've had a Honda 600 RR, Repsol edition, 2 gold wings, a CRF 50, the 450L, and I just want to try something different from Honda. Growing up racing motocross, I loved Yamahas, but somehow I just kind of transferred over to Honda. But they're amazing bikes, and yeah, I think it's cool what they're doing. I'm really excited to do more review videos because I think it's awesome that they're doing these new cool like retro bikes. They're doing a lot more with the enduro market, and they're just really trying. I think they're stepping their game up and becoming more not so just lagging behind type thing. They're becoming more cutting edge, and also with the old school stuff. They're competing with KTM. They're making the Goldwing more futuristic looking. I wouldn't be against getting another Goldwing, but like I said, I've done it twice before, and unless you're riding a Goldwing motorcycle, unless you're rich, like it does not make sense to have a Goldwing, because that sucker's, you're talking about a $400 motorcycle note, and if it's just sitting at your house and you're not out there riding it, then you have no business having a Goldwing. That sucker needs to be ridden a lot. Like you got to be riding 20,000 miles a year or 30,000 miles a year to be messing with a Goldwing. So anyhow, I really thought the Fury was cool. I just kind of tried it on a whim. You could look at one of my review videos on that. But yeah, check out my videos, and please, if you made it this far, I know this wasn't that exciting, but check out my other videos. I like quadcopters and drones and stuff like that. And like, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, just subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. If you could just take your time to do that, it would make a huge difference to me, because eventually I would like to get this YouTube channel to the point where I have enough subscribers to actually have it generate some type of income, even if it's $50 a month, to pay for maybe my pipe for my monkey or something. So anyhow, I appreciate it. CJ Moto out.